What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and I just wanted to make this quick announcement. I'm recording off my phone and I'm just gonna upload it like this, just to let you guys know that I haven't forgotten about the giveaway. So I don't want you guys to think that I just kind of went MIA. I know I hit the 500 subscriber mark, and there was actually 3 videos that I wanted to upload before I hit the 500 mark. It's been a busy month. April has not been the month for me. I've been going through some things, a lot of personal things in my life, and it's been one setback after another, and I've been distracted from actually editing the videos because there's 3 videos that were supposed to be uploaded last week, and I don't have one yet, and it's gonna be maybe another few days before I actually get to upload even one. So what I want to do is I want to make probably the giveaway video first, and then we'll go to the other videos that I have already recorded, and then I'll edit them, and then I'll upload them as the days go by. And so some of the stuff that I've said in the videos is not gonna make sense because it's kind of like past tense. But yeah, guys, just a short message for you guys. I'm gonna try to do the giveaway video no later than Friday or Saturday. So give me some time, guys, and I'll have everything ready to go. I'll announce the winner and I'll ship them out to you guys as soon as possible. And thank you to those that have subscribed. And I'll see you guys in the next one.